Hi guys, Paul
and Ryan.
Here we are in Danville, Pennsylvania. That is Route 54 over there. We're on the other side of that, other side of the creek. And we were at the Hess recreational area, or natural area too. So we're just going to take a little walk. There's a little covered bridge down here and stuff to go past over the creek. So we're going to go check it out. It's a muddy, very muddy and mud puddly, but let's go. All right. This is November 30th. No, December 30th. Sorry, I said November. Wow, look at all that turkey tail. It's almost snow covered looking.
You can get down there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go touch it. I like to.
You can go touch it.
Yeah, look at all those big white ones in there.
I don't know if they're false turkey tail or real ones, but some of this is a crust fungus. This stuff here underneath is a crust fungus. Yep. So it's either really old. It might be real turkey tail, just old.
There's a lot of it.
Super lot of it. There's a mysterious hole of doom. Alright. There's a Hess walking bridge, covered bridge they called it, so we're going to go check it out. And then there's a Sam Wagner covered bridge also we're trying to hit today. We haven't been outdoors in a little bit. It's been busy. Holiday season, worky. But it's 40 degrees today, so very mild weather for the time of year. So we're taking advantage of it. It's alright. Make sure I'm not walking too fast. We tried to get here on the upper road that on the map said took you to the covered bridge, and it technically does, and then you can't turn around, and it's rutted and overgrown and one lane. Private property. It was, well, this is a problem. But we ended up finding a turn off, down the road, come back. Everything's fine now. Went mud bogging, came here. But I'm not sure what the name of this creek is. I don't know if this is Chillisquaque Creek right here. It might be.
There might be some signs up at the bridge.
Maybe. Looks like there's some activity.
At the bridge.
Yeah. We're not the only ones enjoying the warmer weather. Deer trail. Going to the creek. Yeah, there's... Alright. Right on the other side of the spillway washway is private property. People's houses.
Not the prettiest of trails we've been on.
No, definitely not one of the prettiest, but it is nice to check it out at least.
Yeah, it's local to us, and
on our way where we're going.
Pass it often. And have never stopped. Until today.
The creek seems like it's got some nice deep flowing parts for trout and stuff, so.
It rained, yesterday?
Yeah.
So they're a little full.
Yeah, it's been having a weird misty, spritzy rain for about 3 or 4 days prior to this. It's a whole gaggle of people over there.
There's a bunch.
It's like it's a bus stop. Wow. We're definitely going to wait for them to clear out before we scoot on over there. Some long johns and a glove, so that's good.
They got warm on the trail.
That's right. Here's a nice little area. You can see the creek. That'll be fun. It's a nice part of the creek. Minus the vehicles. There's some pollution around here too. Sorry to say, it is what it is.
That looks pretty deep. Look at the color change there.
Yeah, the runoff. There's like a rim, like a rim in the water over there. Like a rim.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, there's a nice little swirly pool right there.
There is a lot of flood debris.
Yeah. Let's see. Around here. This looks like a good spot for a fish. Right here. That's where the fish would be, I'm thinking. Look at that.
Oh, and there's a pipe.
Yeah, there's the pipe.
Probably has something else coming out here.
A big old cement pipe. But yeah, I would say right in there is the good spot for the fish.
I don't know if there's a grate or cover on that pipe.
I don't know.
I have to check it out if we leave that way on the highway.
Yeah. Alright. Well, the people are coming towards us, so we're going to pause you for a bit and get back to you. Alright, we're back. And heading towards the bridge. And by definition, it looks like to be a covered bridge. That one hole back there is kind of interesting. I might want to come back one day just to see if I can catch anything in it.
The deep fishing hole?
Yeah. Throw some redworms down there and see if anything bites. Alright. The Hess Loop Trail. This is the entrance to the Hess Loop Trail. No vehicles except maintenance vehicles beyond this point. Beyond this point means you could drive all the way down here? Hey. You should have just floored it right through the bridge. Wow. Technically, so does... So the main, well, that one road comes down through here, stop, and then continues on down that way, private property style. This is part of the loop, though. It says watch for vehicles.
Mahoning Creek.
Mahoning Creek, right here. Okay. You can see the creek right there, and that's 54. And the road way in the distance there, where the car's coming, that's 642. And we're in technically Maasdale right now. Wow. Are these Anokis? Old Anokis.
Look at that little bunch. They're younger.
Yeah. They might be old Anokis. Cool. Yep. Thorns on me. You know they must be good because they're protected with thorns. Yeah, I think they might be old Enoki mushrooms, which is cool. All right. Okay, so here it is. Hess Covered Bridge. And it's got like a fishing observation thing on it, too.
It's a walk.
Oh, this is a confluence. This is when two creeks come together. Well, there's some signage over there we'll have to check out. Here's the two creeks.
It's deep here.
And that's a good right there. That'd be a great fishing spot right here.
Oh, all of it.
Right
That's
off.
why they built the pier, I bet.
Get some 10-pound Teskey, just reel them up right here. Oh, there's somebody fishing out there. No, or they're just seeing the sights, maybe. Well, yeah, it's deep under here. Well, it is pretty damn deep under here. I can see fish already down there.
They're jumping off of it.
I see fish down there already. I think they were shad.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I don't think they were trout, but I think they were shad. But they're definitely fish down there. Yeah, definitely some good fish. Rises up in the middle, almost like a weird fish trap. Cool.
Deep over here.
Yeah, it's right here.
You can't see over here.
Well, you can't see the bottom. That's how deep it is. It is really deep. It's nice. It's got a little observation place. Fishing thing. Yeah, it's deep down here. Cool. That's nice. And here's the bridge from the outside. Awesome. Let's keep on going. See what it says. All right, here we go. Oh, that's it. Mahoning Creek Channel Stabilization and Habitat Improvement Project. Oh, 2006. Cool. All right, you want to keep going down the path?
We have another place that we wanted to catch.
Yeah, we need to hit. We're going. We are going to an event right now at
my family.
her family's
Christmas
place.
stuff.
Yeah, Christmas things. So late Christmas, but
Extended family.
extended family.
Belated Christmas.
Some nice little areas over there as well. But no, that is some deep water right there for sure. Here's another shot of the bridge. Cool. So there's a trail to go down to the creek, apparently this way. Down to that side. Yeah, sure.
Just because it's a cool tunnel.
Yeah.
You want me to go first?
Definitely a single lane tunnel.
I think it's
Look at all these. Look at all. Well, these are pretty interesting seeds.
yeah.
But these leaves, these plants are practicing marcescence. Marcescence. So there you go. Okay. Well, look at the water. Oh, cool. This will make a great shot. There it is. Boom.
Have to go as close to under the bridge.
Yeah, we gotta go under. Look
The
under.
other side looks like you can get under.
Yeah, it does. It's an old railroad bridge. So this is a rails to trail kind of a thing. And there's the 54 bridge over there. Cool. Nice.
You're better at looking
Woo! Oh! Alright, now we're on the other side. Old railroad bridge. Cool. Overall, not too bad. Yeah, you can hear the vehicles and stuff, but it's not the worst thing. That was a really good one. I'll try to follow it. Oh, that one didn't go. Oh. There you go. Yeah.
I guess pretty deep.
Hi. There you go. Yeah.
Someone lost their little bracelet.
Someone little bracelet? Oh
Ducky
boy.
bracelet.
Little ducks.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sad.
Belongs there.
Okay. Well, I think this is pretty much. Let me flip you around. I think this will conclude our little adventure here at the Hess Loop Trail with the Hess covered bridge. There's the bridge. Well, this has been Paul.
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple. Look at that hoodie. Woo! Until next time. Cheers.
And get outdoors.
Boom.